Good morning, students. As today you know that today's activity is advertisement, and I can see so many students are just ready, just simply waiting for their time, their turn for the event. Before starting this event, uh, I would like to request our honorable principal sir, a guiding force behind all of the teachers, to say a few words on this occasion. Sir, please.
Yes, good morning, students and my dear parents. You are very lucky. Yeah, the parents, if people are lucky, your ward is going to perform the advertisement event under the CC activity of Atomic Energy Center School number Rawat Bata. Yes, parents, it is a special course. Many people they are doing, and afterwards they are shining in that particular advertisement field. But our school has given a very good platform to show their creativity, innovativity for marketing a particular product. In future, the children they can do very well applying their creativity, and of course the technical support can be learned from outside, from the organized organizations, reputed organizations, those who are giving um, training for the advertisement. So thank you, the CCA committee and the in charge and the vice principal and the honorable judges. You all are here to support the children, encourage the children, and thank you for organizing such a wonderful event. And thank you for the anchor, Sri Lokesh Kumar Meena, for organizing the event. And all the best, children. Getting the prize, that is secondary thing only. Participation is very, very important. Your confidence level will go up. I want to say one small event what happened in Kalpakam school. In our school assembly activity, many events we are conducting every day, but because of COVID, the pandemic season, we couldn't do it. And in addition, CC activities also. One weak student, very, very weak student, but he luckily joined in an engineering college. And there he was anchoring events, and he told, sir, I am the best outgoing student in the 4th year. Then I wondered, I know very well about the child, he didn't appear in the CC activity and other thing. But he told, sir, of course, I was very shy and hesitating. My parents, they couldn't encourage me, yeah, motivate me, guide me. But because of the teachers, the CCA in charges and other teachers, they organized, they anchors, English teachers and other teachers, they anchored the event. From there, I learned it and done many events, workshops, he anchored. And because of that, the reason, he was awarded as a best outgoing students in the engineering college. So our AES is providing very good opportunities to you people to grow yourself as well as develop your overall personality. So say grateful to the ACS for organizing such type of events, and price is secondary, but improve yourself this day or tomorrow, any other day. This activity will be help you to improve yourself. Okay, thank you once again. Thank you to all of you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your motivational words. Your words counts a lot for us, as sir told that every child has its own individual efforts, and we will see in the upcoming just few minutes. And now I would like to request our young and dynamic vice principal, sir, Sri Vijay Shukla, sir, to say a few words. Please, sir.
थैंक यू योगेश सर और सभी को नमस्ते। पिछले
Voice is low, sir.
यस आई ऑडिबल यस आई थिंक yes all well so students yesterday one dance competition was there for classes 6 to 8. Today also one dance competition was there for classes 9th and 10th, and some points I observed, and I felt that students made a mistake. मैं और हिंदी में भी बोल देता हूँ जिससे मेरी बात आप तक तुरंत और प्रॉपरली पहुँच पाए। आप लोगों ने भी बहुत सारे सीसी प्रोग्राम्स अटेंड कर चुके हैं। कुछ
Your voice is very low, sir.
Yes, some student has one, roll number 4124 has one issue. We will rectify that issue, but I think other people are able to hear. So I request you to please mute yourself and listen. I think some issue may be there with your speaker. So my dear ones, some points I observed. The first point that some students joined the meeting with their personal accounts. It is a big security loophole. It is not allowed. All the students are strictly advised, and whosoever is watching after this program through the recording, please understand that every time join with the official Google accounts given to you. Next time we will not allow to admit, will not admit any such account and person who is joining this meeting with personal account, because it is not allowed. Okay, one. Second thing, that there are some students who have whose network was poor, and I can understand that what they must be facing every day while joining online class. So I request each and everyone to get a reliable internet connection, and if it is not there, this online program will be total failure. है ना? जैसे लाइफ नहीं है, जैसे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चाहिए, इंटरनेट चाहिए, तो उसमें भी क्वालिटी ऑफ इंटरनेट आवश्यक है. तीसरी चीज कि despite plenty of reminders, there were some students who used kept mobile in portrait mode. It should be landscape mode, because when we see on computer screen, please समझिए उस बात को, आपका पोर्ट्रेट मोड में शूट किया हुआ वीडियो हमें लेफ्ट और राइट में ब्लैक स्ट्रिप्स दिखाई देती हैं, और जिसकी वजह से सिर्फ आपका 30% स्क्रीन ही यूज हो रहा होता है. इवन आप जो मूव्स कर रहे हैं वो भी प्रॉपरली नहीं हो पाते. इन बातों का ख्याल रखिए. एक और चीज़ हमने आज मिस्टेक ऑब्जर्व की कि कुछ बैकग्राउंड में जो म्यूजिक प्ले हो रहा है, ऑफ कोर्स आज एडवर्टाइजमेंट है, मेरे ख्याल से प्योरली आपका वॉइस ही आएगा, कोई बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक उसमें होना नहीं चाहिए. लेकिन अगर फिर भी है तो मेक श्योर कि जो आपका इनपुट जहाँ से जा रहा है वॉइस का, दैट इज आपका मोबाइल. मोस्टली लोग मोबाइल से शूट कर रहे होंगे ये प्रोग्राम, तो उसमें जो बैकग्राउंड वॉइस जो आपको इनपुट भेजनी है वो उसके पास रखा होना चाहिए. ठीक है. इनफैक्ट आपके मम्मी पापा अगर मोबाइल पकड़े हुए हैं और आप सामने से प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं और डिस्टेंस ज़्यादा है, तो प्लीज़ पूरी ताकत से बोलना है. अदरवाइज आपकी वॉइस प्रॉपरली आएगी नहीं और ठीक से सुनाई नहीं देगी, तो उसमें पूरा मज़ा नहीं आएगा. ठीक है. एक चीज़ और कि जो पेरेंट्स जो बाकी जो कैमरामैन का रोल अदा कर रहे हैं, प्लीज़ एक जगह फिक्स खड़े रहना है और हिलना डुलना नहीं है, क्योंकि आपके हैंड्स शेक करते हैं तो जो वीडियो की क्वालिटी है वो कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ हो जाती है. प्लीज़ टेक केयर ऑफ दीज थिंग्स. बेस्ट विशेज टू ऑल. एंड आप सब के अंदर कोई ना कोई आर्टिस्ट छुपा हुआ है. लाइफ चेंजिंग मोमेंट्स होते हैं. सीसीए में पार्टिसिपेट करना ज़िंदगी बदल जाती है. तो प्लीज़ दिल लगा के एकदम ज़ोर से पूरा एनर्जी डाल के पार्टिसिपेट करिए, और रियली आप लोग बहुत शानदार करने वाले हैं. बेस्ट.
Thank you, sir. As curricular is very much important for the education, in the same way, co-curricular activities also equally important, especially activities such as this today's event, that is advertisement. Before starting the event, let me introduce our judges. Today we have judges as Srimati Sarita Chand Madam, Sushri Sharita Raj Madam, and Rabika Sudhir Madam as your judges kids. So let's begin the activity. So I'm going to call the first participant, and that is Kota Rushik Gupta. Kota Rushik Gupta, beta, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. You may start, beta.
Good morning, everyone. I am Kota Rushi Gupta from class 3rd A. Today, I am here to advertise a pen. My pen name is Classy and is manufactured by Goldex, a German-based company using German technology. It is unique pen in design and style. It writes very smoothly and with fine grip to hold the pen swiftly. Its nib is made of special alloy that makes it write evenly till the last drop of ink. It does not leak. Due to special thickness of ink and compact size. The cost of pen is reasonable and cheap. It is made available across India for sale in every stationery shop. Finally, I would recommend this pen with a tagline. If you want to express then pick this pen and write. Thank you.
Very well, Rushit. You have expressed the importance of pens in our life, and you know the best friend of a student is his pen. He can express in whatever manner he want to using his pen, and he can write about it. He can make his future using the pens. Thank you, Rushik. You have done really wonderful, beta. Next participant is participant number 2, Kumud Thakre. Kumud, are you ready, beta? Kumud Thakre? Yes, you can start, Kumud.
Good morning, teacher and judge. My name is Komud Thakre. I study in class 3rd. I am a Dettol. अरे पहले हाथ तो धो लो. खाना खाने से पहले सदा हाथ धोना चाहिए. कभी खाना खाने से पहले हमें सदा हाथ धोना चाहिए. कभी भी जो माँ ने सिखाया वो सबको सिखाएंगे. एवरीबॉडी हाथ धो. न फैले बीमारी जो आदत हमारी. डेटॉल हो. घर हो या फिर बाहर हो. पानी हो या ना हो. डेटॉल हो. डेटॉल लिक्विड सैनिटाइजर दे 100 बीमारियों से सुरक्षा. लड़ने की सुरक्षा. थैंक यू.
Very good, beta. Kumud Thakre, yourself is looking just like a bottle of hand wash. And a very pretty and very wonderful, very colorful dress you have wear. Very good, very with a positive approach. You have done yours very well. So now moving towards the next participant. Next participant is Sanvi Mehra. Sanvi, are you ready, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you may start, Sanvi.
Respected all my teachers and my dear friends. My name is Sanvi and my study in class 3rd. मैं आज आपको एक एडवर्टाइजमेंट आने जा रही हूँ और मेरे एडवर्टाइजमेंट का नाम है ओडोमॉस बैग. रेडी मास्क. रेडी सैनिटाइजर. रेडी. बाय. बाहर तो बहुत मच्छर फैल रहे हैं जिनसे
Very good, Sanvi. But our energetic performance given by Sanvi, really wonderful. And you are told about the various factors of mosquitoes. Mosquito bite can spread a lot of disease, kids. So we have to be very careful. We have to use lot of things which can be helpful for us to save ourselves from those kind of things. Thank you, Sanvi. Next participant is Shashwat Prakash. Shashwat Prakash. Are you ready, Shashwat? Yes. Just switch on your camera, Shashwat. Yes, you can start now.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, beta, I can hear you. Yes, you can start, Shashwat.
सुप्रभात आप सभी शिक्षकों को मेरा सादर प्रणाम। मैं शाश्वत प्रकाश कक्षा तीसरी ए में पढ़ता हूँ। आज आप सभी का रामलाल मार्क्स वाले की दुकान में स्वागत है। मैं हूँ रामलाल। आपको मेरी दुकान में हर तरह के मार्क्स मिलेंगे। आइए मैडम जी, आइए। ये देखिए हमारे पास हर तरह के मार्क्स है। ये देखिए प्लेन कलरफुल मार्क्स सिर्फ 30 रुपए में। ये देखिए प्रिंटेड मार्क्स सिर्फ 50 रुपए में। चमकीले मार्क्स भी है हमारे पास सिर्फ 70 रुपए में। ये देखिए डिजाइनर मार्क्स सिर्फ 100 रुपए में। और जैसा कि अभी त्योहार चल रहा है, इसलिए एक 100 रुपए के डिजाइनर मार्क्स के साथ 2 प्लेन मार्क्स फ्री फ्री बिल्कुल फ्री। आइए और ले जाइए सिर्फ रामलाल की दुकान से। अब आपकी लिपस्टिक एक्सपायर नहीं होगी क्योंकि अब हमारे पास है ट्रांसपेरेंट मास्क। इससे आप लिपस्टिक लगा भी सकते हैं और सबको दिखा भी सकते हैं। ये सिर्फ 150 रुपए का है। जैसा कि अभी जैसे एक विक्स करे अफर फिक्स, वैसे ही हमारे मास्क भी काफी असरदार है। ये आपको कोरोना से तो बचाते हैं ही, बल्कि ये आपको पॉल्यूशन, दूसरे की गंदी बदबू, कचरे की गंदी बदबू और सर्दी की ठंडी हवा से भी बचाते हैं। ये आइए और रामलाल की दुकान से अपने मनपसंद मास्क ले जाइए। जैसा कि अभी कोरोना की महामारी पूरी तरह से खत्म नहीं हुई है, इसलिए हो 2 गज की दूरी और मास्क लगाना है बहुत जरूरी। आइए और रामलाल की दुकान से ही सारे मास्क लेकर जाइए। धन्यवाद।
Very well, Shashwat. Shashwat, you have given very good introduction about the mask, their uses, and especially the transparent mark which can show through which the ladies can show their lipstick. Really, and thank you, Shashwat. Okay, beta. Next participant is participant number 5, Vaibhav Fulwani. This is Vaibhav Fulwani, participant number 5.
सुप्रभात अध्यापकगण, मेरा नाम
Vaibhav, beta. Vaibhav, can you please turn on your camera? Yes, now you can start.
सुप्रभात अध्यापकगण, मेरा नाम वैभव फुलवानी है। मैं कक्षा तीसरी में पढ़ता हूँ। मैं आज एक ऐड कर रहा हूँ जो है मैजिक ऑयल। सर दो तेरा चकराए, दिल दिल डूब जाए, आजा प्यारे पास हमारे, काहे तू काहे घबराए, तू काहे घबराए। सुनो अरे बाबा सुनो, इस तेल में है बड़े बड़े गुण, तो क्यों ना आजमाए, तो क्यों ना आजमाए। हाँ दोस्तों, इस तेल में है बड़ी बड़ी जड़ी बूटियां, जैसे नारियल, आंवला, बादाम और भृंगराज। और ये हमने बच्चों के लिए बनाया है और इससे आपको कोई नुकसान नहीं होगा। ये आपके चिपचिपे और दम हुए बालों को लंबा, घना और मजबूत बनाता है। और ये आपको किसी दुकान पर भी मिल सकता है। और अगर आप इसको ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर करना चाहते हैं तो www.magicoil.com पर ये वहां पर भी उपलब्ध है। इसका मूल्य 350 रुपए है, लेकिन आप अभी इसे खरीदते हैं तो ये आपको सिर्फ 300 रुपए में ही मिल जाएगा। धन्यवाद। और
Thank you, Vaibhav. Really very wonderful and nice presentation by yourself from for a medicinal oil. which can help to reduce headache and all. Thank you, Vaibhav. Thank you so much, beta. Next participant is participant number 6, Divya Meena. Divya, are you ready, beta? As I can see, Divya, are you there, beta? I think she is not there. So moving towards the next participant, that is Swati Meena. Swati, class 3rd B. Swati, class 3rd B. Yes, Swati. Yeah, are you ready, Swati?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you can start, beta.
Good morning, Sam, and all my friends. My name is Swati Meena. I study in class 3rd. Today I am going to recite a Clinic Plus shampoo. Let's start. This is a Clinic Plus shampoo. This Clinic Plus shampoo is make strong and long hair. The won't harm the environment. Protect your circulatory system. Skin friendly, allergy free. Pleasant scent. You all try this Clinic Plus shampoo. Thank you.
Very well, Swati. You have presented your Clinic Plus shampoo. Huh? Really? Very good presentation, Swati. Okay, now moving towards the next participant. That is participant number 8, Tanvi Meena. Participant number 8, friends, Tanvi Meena. Tanvi is there?
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम तन्वी मीना है। मैं कक्षा 3 में पढ़ती हूँ। खुशखबर, हमारी कंपनी कोरोना जाने बनाया है एक ऐसा सैनिटाइजर जिससे 99.9% नहीं बल्कि 100% आपके हाथों में से कोरोना के कीटाणुओं को मारता है। तो अभी इस नंबर पर हमें कॉल कीजिए और अपने घर पर इस सैनिटाइजर को मंगवाइए। हमारे पहले 50 ग्राहकों को ये सैनिटाइजर फ्री होम डिलीवरी में मिलेगा। तो जल्दी से आप इसे मंगवाइए और उन 50 ग्राहकों में से एक बनिए। धन्यवाद।
Very well, Tanvi. Tanvi has sold the sanitizer. As you know, nowadays Corona is a very dangerous disease which is spread among us. So we have to protect ourselves using different hand sanitizers and soaps, including the mask and all. So Tanvi, really very good and energetic performance given by you. Now I will recall the participant number 6, Divya Meena. If he is present, then she can present us presentation. Divya is there? I think she is not there. So with this, this event advertisement is finished for 3rd standard. So now we are starting with the 4th standard. Just in a short while, we will start